the gopis are crazy to inquire from the trees because they're crazy in love. But even the commentators are a little crazy in their perception of the whole thing, that, oh, this is not to be done. So Shukamuni is simply saying they said Krishna, and maybe he's hiding the reason why he's saying that. In the previous verse, they asked the plants, the Malati and Madhavi and Jutika, have you seen Madhav? Now they're saying, have you seen Krishna? It's like, so Madhav is secret. It's a riddle, because they're saying, have you seen Madhav? And then Vishnu and Brahma and Shiva, they can just think, oh, Radharani's asking us if we've seen the spring season, because Madhav means Vasant. Vasant is also called spring, or Madhav. So it's a little hidden. It's called Prokshavad. Prokshavad means the direct meaning of what your intentions are, the outward meaning that expressed in the words and choice words that you use is not the actual meaning you desire. So hidden inside your speech or your language is another meaning, and that's called Prokshavad.